Setsubun, a fun Japanese tradition. What is Setsubun? It marks the end of winter and the beginning of spring. It usually falls on February 3rd. It has been celebrated for over 1,000 years, and it is thought to have originated in the imperial court during the Heian period. Setsubun is primarily a festival that takes place in the homes throughout Japan. But temples and shrines are also places where the festival is celebrated. Through Setsubun's customs and rituals, it casts out the evil spirits and brings in good luck for the coming year. Let's take a look at some of these customs.
I'm got a headache.
Mamemaki. Mamemaki is the funnest and most popular ritual performed during Setsubun. Roasted soybeans known as mame are thrown at demons while shouting "Oni wa soto, fuku wa uchi," meaning demons out, luck in. This ritual casts out the evil spirits and bad luck and brings in good luck into the home for the coming year. Let's watch as this family celebrates Mamemaki. First, we need a demon, or what Japanese called Oni. Now we have our Oni. It's time to cast him out and welcome in the luck for the coming year. Eating your age.
Dogs. マン君食べる Dogs. あ、一つ
During Setsubun, eating the number of roasted soybeans equal to one's age is believed to bring good luck and health. Let's speed this up a little. No, we're not telling a woman's age, but we're all done. Shh! Silence, please. Ehōmaki time. Ehoumaki is a long, uncut sushi roll that is eaten during Setsubun. It is to have 7 ingredients inside. The number 7 is considered lucky in Japanese culture and is thought to have a strong spiritual significance. The ingredients can vary, but they usually are chosen to represent the following aspects of life: happiness, health, wealth, love, career success, wisdom, and long life. You can find Ehōmaki being sold almost anywhere in Japan, especially at the convenience stores, where we got ours. Rules for eating Ehōmaki. 1. Eating in complete silence. 2. Eating the entire roll without cutting or breaking it. 3. Facing the lucky direction for that year while eating. This year's lucky direction is south-southeast. 4. Eating it in one sitting without stopping. It is said that following these rules will bring good luck and prosperity in the coming year. Let's watch as we put our Ehōmaki together. Point it to the lucky direction and eat it in silence.
그치? 쯔호?
맞아요.
All done. Ready for the good luck to come in. Through Setsubun's rituals and customs, individuals are able to purify themselves and their homes and invite good luck and prosperity for the coming year. That's our story of Setsubun. We hope you enjoyed this Japanese tradition with us.